Good evening, everyone. My name is Ivan, and in today's video, we're going to go over how we use trade ideas for momentum trading. I will emphasize that the scanner gives you ideas of what to trade. They're never buy now signals. Again, I just want to emphasize that we use the scanner for ideas and not for buy now signals. And if you see me looking to the right a lot, I have my notes and script here on the side. So let's begin. So when you first open up Trade Ideas, you're greeted with this program bar right here. And to get Mikey's up gapper list as well as the open market scanner, just go to our Discord. If you're not part of it, join it. Check the pin messages. Scroll down to the November messages right here. So this message was sent by Mikey. This is for the PM up gappers list. So all you have to do is just copy this link right here. And then on Trade Ideas, hit File, Load from Cloud, paste the link and hit Load. I won't click on it because I have my Trade Ideas set up right now at the moment to show everything from Friday, which was the last open market day, and I don't want to reset it. So just hit Load and all of the settings for Mikey's scanner will load up. So let's focus on this first window. So this is the small up gappers window list. This window will show you which stocks have significantly gapped up during pre-market. Stocks listed here are often good for quick moves to the upside, which we mostly do here. We're mostly longs. We'll use the small up gappers list to form a watch list for the day. However, don't add every ticker you see on this list to your watch list, as you'll have too many stocks to keep focus on. I like to add the ones that are above 30%, which will show right here, their gap percentage. Keep in mind, there will be mornings where we don't have any tickers above 30%, which may indicate that it will be a slow day, but that's not always 100% guaranteed. So, for example, just for keeping this video short, let's add NTRB to our watch list. Boom. So after I form my watch list, I like to check why this stock has gapped up in price. And you can do that by checking Finviz or Twitter. So I'll open up Finviz here and type in NTRB. And let's see, December 31st. So if we look at 7:30 in the morning, this is posted East Coast time. It says NutriBrand issued full patent from the Korean Intellectual Property Office for its abuse and misuse deterrent transdermal system application. So if you click on the link, it takes you to Yahoo Finance. So the keyword here in this article is that it issued a full patent. So the stock may move massively depending on the context of the article or headline. I do have a tier list of keywords and articles courtesy of Nola_Momo, which looks like this. Here it is. It's called Keywords in Press Release and Filings. So words that are listed in tier 1 categories, if they're listed in that article, there's a high chance that that stock will move significantly during the day. Again, I'm not going to go through everything here. I will include this in the Discord later on. I should mention also that not every ticker on the up gapper list will have news for the day. Sometimes it may have gapped up due to day 2 continuation or recycled momentum. So again, this is the small up gappers list. Again, we just look at tickers here to add to our watch list, and be sure to check Finviz, Twitter, or any sort of news outlet to see why the stock has gapped up in price. All right, so here is our open market scanner. Mikey named it Charizard Momo. Lovely. This would be much easier to see during the day because you can actually see it moving. However, obviously it's Sunday night. I'll just have to reenact it actually working during an open market session. So this scanner will spit out tickers that has fresh momentum. The more mentions that the scanner is spewing out indicates that there's a lot of volume going to that ticker. I'm on the Pacific West Coast, so 6:30 is when the market opens for me. So as I scroll up, we will reenact it going throughout the day. So as you see a lot of mentions to NTRB, and we'll go back a little bit. As you can see, around 646, there was a lot of mentions on NTRB. So if you look at the chart, this stock was significantly moving from $6.75 all the way up to, I'd say, almost $9. Ideally, you would like to see a ticker that's being spit out have the strategy massive volume and low float. The reason being is that the ticker is more volatile and has more opportunity to move in bigger ranges. So I'm just going to show an example of how we would use the Charizard Momo or momentum scanner to trade a stock. So market opens at 9:30 East Coast time. Again, I'm on Pacific West Coast, so it's 6:30. So all these tickers start spitting out in my ear. Next thing you know, I'm hearing a ton of mentions on NTRB. There's other ones, but for now, NTRB will be our main focus. NTRB. So I'm going to look at NTRB, and I see that all the volume right now in the market is pouring into this ticker. And again, as momentum traders, we want to be where the volume is. So a strategy that you can play, or that you could use, I should say, using the momentum scanner is Mikey's 5-minute flags. So you're going to see that this ticker at this time made a new high of day. And again, for 5-minute flags, the key thing to take note of is low volume pullbacks. So, hindsight, it's easier to see everything, but look at these candles right here. Not much sell off. And as you look at the bottom right here, volume is low for the pullback. So you could have possibly taken an entry on close to the 8 EMA, which is my red line. And sure enough, with more volume, the ticker jumps up from $8.50 to a fresh new high day at this time at $12.18. That's more or less $3.50 a share for profit. So again, that's just a quick example of how we use trade ideas to formulate ideas to trade during the day. Again, for a quick recap, we use the small up gappers list to see which tickers gapped up in pre-market, and we want to know why through the news, and that'll paint a picture in the back of our head to see that, okay, these stocks may possibly run during open market sessions. And then we will use the momentum scanner. We use the momentum scanner or the Charizard Momo to see which stocks are making new high of days and to see where volume is going from the market. And ideally, you would like to see a stock that has massive volume and low float. The reason being is if a stock is low float, it's more volatile and has more range for price to move into. So that concludes my quick video. I hope all of that made sense. If you have any more questions, please feel free to tag us in the Discord. I'm always online. Tag Mikey, Hervdiz, anyone really. We're always willing to help. And that's it. Hope you guys have a great night. Good luck. Let's have a great year. 2022. We'll all become millionaires. Catch you guys in the next video. Peace.